Hello everyone, it's Albert Varki here, and welcome to my channel ASV Excel, where I teach you how to get the most out of Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways how to generate arithmetic progression. So here is how you can generate arithmetic progression in Excel like a pro. The most inefficient and slow way is to do it manually. For example, if we have numbers from 1 to 500 and we want to create a column with those numbers, the most tedious way would be to enter them manually, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Don't ever do this. It's too time-consuming and painful. A much smarter way is to first write 1 and then in the next row 2. And then drag down those numbers until we reach 500. This method is quite good when we don't need a very long progression, and it's relatively short. However, when it comes to generating very large number sequences, such as up to 5,000 or more, there is an even smarter and faster way to do it. The most efficient method to create large progressions with many numbers is as follows. First, enter the number with which we want to start the progression. In our case, this will be number 1. Then go to the Home tab, click Fill, then select Series. In the Series dialog box, choose Columns, select Linear for the type, enter the step value as 1 and set the stop value to 5,000 in our case. After doing this, you will have a huge progression from 1 to 5,000. If you liked the video, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and see you in the next video.